In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI videos using Heygen. Whether you're crafting a presentation or simply experimenting with AI, these tools at your disposal make creating engaging video content easier than ever. Let's dive right in and explore how you can start generating your AI videos seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to heygen.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you haven't established an account yet, make sure to sign up for one so you can access all the features we'll be discussing today. Once you're logged in, you'll want to click on Create Video from the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where the magic begins. You'll be greeted with a set of choices for your new video project. You can choose from a variety of templates that might suit your content needs or creative vision. If you prefer a blank canvas to work your magic, you can start from scratch. This option allows you to have greater flexibility and control over what your final product will look like. Next, you'll select your avatar. An avatar can help personalize the video or make it more engaging. If you already have one set up, feel free to use it. Otherwise, you may want to take this opportunity to create a new avatar by exploring the range of styles and options available. Now, onto the core of your video. You'll want to type or paste in your script. Whether you have something pre-written or you want to jot down some ideas on the spot, this is where your voice really comes to life within the video. Don't forget to review the script for clarity and tone to ensure it matches your intended message. After your script is laid out, it's time to choose your voice and adjust any other settings required for your video. You can select from different voice options to find one that best represents your message or brand. This includes accents, tones, and even different languages to tailor the video precisely to your audience's needs. Satisfied with your selections, now it's time to click Generate Video. At this point, Heygen will process your video, transforming all your choices into a cohesive and professional-looking clip. This process might take a moment, so don't worry if it's not instant. Good things often take a bit of time. Once your video is ready, it's the final step. You can play it back to ensure everything looks as you imagined. If you're satisfied with the result, you can download your AI video and share it with your audience, incorporate it into your projects, or simply keep it for personal use. And there you have it. You've just created an AI video with Heygen. Feel free to explore and experiment to create even more innovative and captivating content in the future.